Hey everyone, Hash here from hashtag. Earlier I told you Huawei is working on HMS core. So today I got more information regarding this. Huawei Unified Scan Kit service can provide professional two-dimensional code, barcode scanning and the person skills. This means help application to instantly build code scanning functions, help of this integration. According to latest report, Huawei alone is likely to ship 100 million 5G smartphones in China next year. Also, China is expected to become a largest market for the next generation network. Earlier flagship Huawei P40 Pro front panel has been leaked. That suggests the display of the P40 Pro will be curved as its predecessor P30 Pro. Also, Huawei ditched water drop nodes. Instead, the company might introduce a pop-up selfie camera, or it might surprise everyone by introducing a under-display selfie camera. According to previous rumors, the P40 series will adopt a large water-fast 6.5-inch OLED screen, which will feature a refresh rate of 120Hz and 2K plus resolution. Huawei P40 Pro integrated with a 10x optical zoom lens and will be the first in a smartphone with a new design, improved camera technologies, better performance and the hardware specs. P40 Pro will use a Android 10 based EMUI 10 and not the self-developed operating system Harmony OS. The success of the P30 Pro should first come with at least 4000 mAh battery, also have a 50-watt fast charging technology developed by Huawei, further powered by Kirin 990 SoC with a 5G modem and camera module can accommodate up to 4 sensors. However, the details of the sensors are still under wraps. Let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei P40 Pro in the coming days. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Namaskar from hashtag.